So in this section, I'm going to talk about the next subgroup. Now let's have a look and see what we find. So one thing I'm going to do before I look at the subgroup, I'm going to go back in and add those other two studies that I removed in the sensitivity analysis. And that's not a real sensitivity analysis, by the way, that's just exploring the data. So let's go back here and look at the non-Elisa based. So what we see here is a couple of estimates around 0, but it really does look like we have even more heterogeneity. So this is not estimatable. We have an estimate of 5, and the others are really sort of clustered around the null effect. So it's the same picture as before, that there's really not a compelling body of work that says cattle and buffalo have hugely different seroprevalences. There are a few studies, but they tend to be in the minority, and they tend to be studies that have very small estimates. Let's have a look and see. So clearly we have a lot of heterogeneity here, but we might not be able to reach any conclusion about the non-Elisa based data. Now one of the things is, the question is, are we pooling? Does it make sense to pool these estimates? Like, I haven't read the papers, but are the non-Elisa based data one study, or are they multiple studies, and might that explain the sensitivity?